Under a surprising court order, Prince Harry's visa documents are now set to be released by Tuesday, as ruled by a judge in Washington. Judge Carl Nichols has given a strict deadline, promising that these files will shine a bright light on whether the Duke of Sussex was honest in his immigration forms. Picture a locked chest slowly being unlatched, its contents ready to tell a hidden story. Every redacted line and every omitted detail adds to the growing suspense. Could these papers finally reveal secrets long buried beneath layers of official red tape? In the quiet hum of the courtroom, Judge Nichols agreed with the cuts suggested by the Department of Homeland Security, saying they were just right. While no one can say for sure which parts will emerge from the shadows, some believe the documents might include forms that hold a simple yes or no answer to whether Harry admitted to drug use. According to Homeland Security's lawyers, 3 parts of the file will be shared with certain edits, while a 4th piece will remain behind closed doors. One can almost hear the soft rustle of papers and feel the tension in the air as the truth waits for its moment. Might a simple tick of a box expose more than anyone ever expected? Adding more drama to the story, the Heritage Foundation, a group known for its strong opinions, took legal action against the U.S. Immigration Agency last year. They did this after the agency refused a Freedom of Information request for these very files. The group argues that Harry might have given a false answer on the section that asks if he had used drugs. This claim comes as no surprise to some, as Harry has openly talked about his past with substances like cannabis, cocaine, and even magic mushrooms in his memoir Spare and his TV series Harry. Imagine the murmur of whispers in a busy room as the public wonders, is the truth hidden in plain sight, or has it been cleverly disguised by redaction and time? In a stern order, Judge Nichols, appointed during the Trump era, declared that the government must post the redacted versions of these records by March 18, 2025. His words resonated like a firm knock on a heavy wooden door, urging transparency. This decision has stirred a mix of embarrassment and worry for Harry, fueling debates on whether he might face deportation if any dishonesty is uncovered. Adding a twist to the tale, President Trump recently dismissed any talk of deportation, taking a jab at Meghan by calling her terrible and remarking that Harry is only being given a pass because of issues with his wife. The courtroom drama now mingles with political sparring. What will be the next turn in this unfolding story? Earlier, in September, Judge Nichols had denied Heritage's plea to release all the documents, citing the Duke's right to privacy. But after further discussion, he reversed his decision, saying he wanted to show as much as possible while still keeping Harry's immigration status hidden behind redactions. Soon after, Niall Gardner from the Margaret Thatcher Center for Freedom, speaking for Heritage, urged President Trump to push for full disclosure, arguing that border security and law enforcement must remain top priorities. Meanwhile, Harry has been open about his struggles. He once mentioned that cannabis helped ease the deep pain following his mother Princess Diana's death, and that a journey with ayahuasca brought him a moment of clarity, an understanding that his mother wished for his happiness. Heritage now claims that his U.S. visa application from March 2020 might show he marked no when asked about drug use. In legal filings, Homeland Security warned that these documents are particularly sensitive as they could reveal Harry's immigration status. They stress that even though he is a public figure, he still has a right to keep such details private. If these records were easily available, anyone might start fishing for government files on any celebrity. The original request sought to determine if Harry received special treatment after leaving royal duties. However, DHS dismissed the allegations as mere unfounded suspicions, saying that releasing the papers wouldn't really change how the system works. To date, Harry's representatives have remained silent, leaving the public to wonder, will the release of these files clear up the debate, or will it spark yet another twist in a saga filled with intrigue and questions?